Jim's been busy out here. He's got some electrical wiring all already finished and hooked up to the well house. He dug a big trench over here and then finally filled it up, and we've got some wiring for our electrical fence. And that's going to be able to help us keep the critters out of our garden when we plant it this spring. Can't wait, so excited. And here's the mister himself. Explain what you did.
I did a thing. Oh, you're serious. All right, we trenched 12 inches, buried, weather resistant. This is direct buried cable, so it could go in there by itself at 24, 12 inside the conduit is definitely good. Tied into the pump house with the electrics over there, and put a GFCI outlet just above it for Dawn, so she's got light out here if she wants to plug in. Also, so she has power if she wants to run tools. I'm actually going to put an outlet here as well, like this, here, so she can plug in her electric fence to keep the critters from eating her garden. I'm short a piece. Gotta go to the store. That's it.